Hey all, Will Healy here from 30,000 feet. Just wanted to show you something really cool. You know, the ability to do smart manufacturing and to have access to data, something people talk about a lot, but what if you could see what was going on in your factory from anywhere in the world? What if you could see it from 30,000 feet? I want to show you here how we can actually see the status of the Balluff warehouse conveyor from anywhere. And so here you can see what's going on our conveyors and what's filled up on the conveyors this morning. They've unpacked the shipment and they're starting to load it into our inventory system. I can also see the status of the power supplies and how's the current doing and what's the voltage. And then I can also see what's going on in our testing room. I can see the humidity and the pressure and the temperature, and that's really important for us to be able to control those things inside the testing room to make sure that the linearity of the sensors as they build them is correct. So the ability to do condition monitoring and know what's going on in our facility and have that data, you know, is powerful. But when we actually implement smart manufacturing, some really cool things can happen, like seeing our data from 30,000 feet. So, I hope you have a great day. Until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?